Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert subscript and superscript in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the tutorial. So we use subscript and superscript when we want to show some mathematical expression or some numbers or some chemical formula. So here I've given an example of subscript and superscript. Here the character or the text which is typed in red are the superscript, and here the character or the text which are typed in green are called subscript. So I'll show you now how to apply subscript and superscript in Microsoft Excel. So to add the superscript, for example, first now I have to select the ST and right click on and click on format cells. Now click here superscript and click OK. I'll show you one more. A plus B whole square. So this should be in half position. So to make it above position or make it as a superscript, just select this text and right click here and select format cells and click superscript. And like the same way for subscript also, select the text which you would like to apply subscript and right click and click format cells, and here list of options called subscript. Click OK. Like the same way select the text and click on format cell and click on subscript and click OK. So in this way we can insert subscript and superscript in Microsoft Excel. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.